Hi, my name is Mayor Catherine Joy Cotera. You can call me Kath. I'm 21 years old. I'm a trainer in Sutherland Global Services. And I know that I'm ready kasi I already have a baby. So, gusto kong magkaroon na ng family na strong, na di maghiwalay. At I know I'm ready because dream wedding, wala naman akong specific na plans. It can be sa beach or garden. Basta masaya yung maging wedding. Nandun lahat ng friends, may tugtugan, sayawan, house, kahit ano naman, di naman kailangan masyadong malaki. As long as solid yung house or okay naman siya, matibay, maganda, presentable, tapos may kanya-kanyang room. And for the dream life, of course, I want to be with him and my future family. And gusto ko lang na makasama sila forever. Marriage is ang pagsasama with a blessing from God na dapat, since it's being blessed, dapat hindi siya matitibag, hindi siya maghihiwalay, and you just need to stick with each other forever.
My name is Jeris Aguilar. I'm 27 years old. Currently working in Sutherland Global Services. So pareho kami ng company. No? I love singing, dancing, playing sports, computer games. Yun, that's it. I know I'm ready kasi tapos na ako dun doon sa age ng pagbubulakbol, ganyan, being single. So, I really want to have my own family now. For me, dream wedding, beach or garden, no? My fireworks, gusto ko kasi may fireworks talaga, and tumutugtog yung favorite live band ko. Yun lang. For the dream house, something that we can call our own, coming from a broken family, mahirap lumaki nung hindi established yung bahay. So I wanted this time to be different, akong tatayo na, padre de pamilya. So marriage for me is being with the one you love. So yun yan, and staying
I am
forever.
Jeris,
I'm Kat.
and we're ready to get married.